Hey guys, we had a tailgate that wouldn't open. I crawled in through the back, pressed the seats back. I got this panel off, and our latch is broken down in here. It wouldn't open at all, so to open it up, you move this over and press out. All right, that lever right there. How I got this panel off with it still closed, you got all these pop clips here. They're going to snap in there, but then you got this worked around this bumper, right? So this side, that's what it looks like. You got a torque on one side and it's just screwed in. So you take the cap off of here, right here. See, this one's cracking. The other one just fell apart. So this is what's on the other side of that. Screws right on. Anyways, you just got to take the cap off. Let's see if we can find the cap. The bumper. You got to get this bumper off with a screwdriver or something. Once you have it peeled back a little bit, you can see this bumper. Pop that off and work it around this. You got to bend your plastic a little, but it goes around it. No need to take the other side off. So yeah, that's how you get it off with the tailgate still closed. You just gotta pop everything, pop those pop clips and get one bumper off and work it around the ear. Now we're gonna work on getting all our levers off from here. And we've got our new one here. Let's check it out. Make sure it looks the same. See, and you can see this yellow plastic is just not even there. It's supposed to be there. It's not. And this is all jammed and seized up. Trying to see where this clips in. This is just falling apart back here. But we need to pop our levers off, which is pretty easy, typically. To get these levers off, you've got to spin this red, pop it off of the metal. And once it's swiveled to the side, we can get it off. Let's see if we got a screwdriver laying around. So we can try to pop this guy off. Hard to do it while I'm filming with the other hand, but you'll see. I do not have a flathead screwdriver. It does not want to come off of there. Flathead would make it easier. You don't want to break your plastic clips too. So I'm gonna need two hands to get these clips off. All right, I got them popped off. This lever here and this lever just pops straight back. Perfect, right? There we go. Now we've got a Torx bit right here. That is going to take this whole lever off. That one looks pretty rusted. But yeah, we got a little Torx bit to take off there and there. There's a couple of them. And that's gonna mount back on here. And then we've got a couple right there. A couple of Torx bits. So I'm gonna get my Torx set. I'll let you know what sizes they are. All right, those screws came right out. T20 Torx bit. Now this is loose. We can shove it out of the way. Perfect. All right, our old latch just fell right out of there once we got the three T30 Torx bits out. And you can see they're looking exactly the same, except for this guy's still got that plastic clip there. And this one is busted right down in there. It looks a little different from this guy. And we've got everything we need except for this little lever. We're gonna pop this little lever out and put it over here and then bolt this back on. Hey, we got her on there. A couple of Torx bits there. Got our lever attached right here and here. Now, the door handle was broke too, so before we can get a new door handle, I just kind of rigged it up. Let me see if I can see here. Right there, you see how the door handle pulls back this rusty metal lever, and that's connected to that lever, that's connected to that lever, which pulls this lever, which moves this guy out. Alright, so the plastic was broken off on the door handle, probably from people trying to pull and pull to open it. So what I did was, see how it hooks through the rust, hooks through the plastic? I drilled a hole right there actually and hooked it through the plastic, the handle. How I drilled the hole was from the outside. Lifted the handle up all the way and drilled a hole. See if we can see in there. And there's my little rusty hook right there, holding on to it. And so the door handle works again. Really don't have to get a new door handle unless that plastic breaks in the future where I have the metal hook through it. But everything is working now. Appears to be functional. Wiring harness plugged back in. So we got the final test, which is open and close, right? So let's try it. There's close. And it locked. You heard the little, it was the auto lock. Let's see what we can do here. Unlock. It looks like it auto locks when you close the tailgate. There we go. And it opens up. Perfect. Try her again. One more time for good luck. We'll make sure she's closed. Heard the little thing do that. We'll unlock. And there we go. She's fixed. Now I gotta put my door panel back on. Easier to do now that the tailgate opens. And we're gonna put this bumper back on where it goes, pop it on. And set our panel in, our tailgate panel. Pop it in with all those pop clips. Make sure everything's lined up. That'll do it.